Welcome back to CARAHCAST, the podcast from Carasoft, the trusted government IT solutions provider. Subscribe to get the latest technology updates in the public sector. I'm Corey Baumgartner, your host from the Carasoft production team. On behalf of Carasoft and Okta, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, focused around how Spencer Wood, cybersecurity advisor for CISA, and Mitch Spalding, senior solutions engineer of SLED from Okta, will explore how agencies are tackling cyber threats to protect critical infrastructure and provide secure services to the people of Ohio.
Hi, everybody. This is our panel on cybersecurity. The questions that you all want to ask, but many times can't be answered, hopefully will be answered by these two gentlemen here. Now, that's putting a lot of pressure on. Right. But thank you all. Thank you all for being here. This has been an incredible 2 sessions in a row, have been fantastic, and these guys will be just great. So let me introduce the topic if I can. Federal, state, and local agencies stand together in the fight to prevent and recover from cyber attacks as their communities increasingly become targets of hackers, from cyber attackers and other cyber criminals. You know that you've seen this in your own communities and probably in your own email, right? The phishing attempts are just out of control. Cybersecurity risks range from data exploitation, insider threats, third-party vulnerabilities as outsourcing increases, ransomware, identity theft, and fraudulent access to state government services. So let's meet our experts today who will explore how agencies are tackling cyber threats and how they are protecting their critical infrastructure in their individual organizations and states. First, let me introduce Spencer Wood. Spencer is a cybersecurity advisor for CISA, which is the Cybersecurity Infrastructure Security Agency. Spencer, welcome. Please tell us about your background and your work.
Sure. Good afternoon, and we get the envious job of being between you and tacos, which is never a fun thing. So I am one of the cybersecurity advisors here in Ohio with CISA. There's currently 2 of us in Ohio. We're currently in the process of hiring 2 more. The director, I think, just announced yesterday that we had hired over 1,300 people over the past 18 months. So we are a rapidly growing agency. Board knows we need the help in the cybersecurity space. And my role as a cybersecurity advisor is literally that, to advise on cybersecurity best practices. We try to work left of boom. So make sure that we get and work with organizations to help prevent a security incident. But should an incident occur, we help with recover and resiliency. With resiliency being really the kind of the biggest part that we try to help organizations with.
All right, great, welcome. And also with us, Mitch Spalding. Mitch is Senior Solutions Engineer for state, local, and education organizations for Okta. Tell us about your background and your work.
Hi, everyone. My name is Mitch Spalding. So I'm born and raised from Columbus, Ohio, grew up in the central Ohio area, live in Delaware now. Yeah, a little bit about me. I got my start in identity probably about 6-7 years ago, just working with a consulting company to implement identity solutions. That then led me to Okta, where I really kind of found my passion for solutions engineering. And really what I do is I work with state, local government entities, education institutions, help understand their business challenges and how we can map to solving them from an identity first approach. So that's me.
Wonderful. And I'd like to say that our third panelist, Nathan Norris, Deputy CISO for Operations for the Office of Information Security and Privacy for the Ohio Department of Administrative Services, is not able to join us today due to illness. So we thank him for agreeing to participate and hope we can host him on another future panel.